If in some way throughout these 3 days of this professional development, we have created a landscape where colleagues can root for one another, then we've done well.
At the beginning, I was afraid.
This is a different environment for me, coming from an urban school in Mississippi.
Before any skills, before any knowledge, before anything about the College Success Portfolio or our model, we started the welcoming professional development with teachers in conversations with kids. And the most direct way for our new teachers to know our students is simply to put them in a circle with them.
I was quite nervous going into these 3 days because everyone is new to me. I'm new to Envision.
I actually got to make a better connection with my teachers.
First of all, I want to thank you. Can we give a round of applause to all of our kids?
I'm so happy just sitting in this group. I can feel the passion for education.
I feel like my group, there was a lot of connections happening. Like, for example, I'm not going to point fingers.
I really love how he was using this PD in two ways. He was like teaching us and training us, and also he was modeling how to teach.
Please respond to one, all, or none of these prompts if you have something else you want to write about.
I think probably the biggest thing that Dave has driven home, it's okay to mess up. I need to go into this experience knowing that I'm not going to be perfect.
Learned how to be patient with myself.
The games, watching folks get lost in themselves as a group, like that was the goal.
Be open, be empathetic, providing these feelings to your classroom, it makes your students feel comfortable.
The last message we wanted to send to new teachers is this idea that relational trust is the most important thing here at Envision.
With the skit, I feel like it brought us closer, and I'm just excited.
I mean, the skits were hilarious. Do a skit that reflects the way that you're going to bring your collegiality to your site team, you know, next week as you start school. If you can spoof something, you've definitely internalized it.
And best personal rose.
The colleagues have been informative, enlightening, and they're full of wisdom. They're chock full of wisdom.
There are so many differences, but then at the same time, when it comes down to what we really value, we have so many similarities.
Very supportive, very helpful. I'm very excited to work with them.
What we do as colleagues at Envision Schools is root for one another. When it gets hard, you turn to each other and not away from one another.
On a basic level, just feel really excited to be in the classroom, so I think that means that the last few days were super effective. Yay!